And you were watching 10 Tampa Bay News at 11. I'm Dave Wagner.
And I'm Courtney Robinson. Tonight we are following the deadly shooting of a Vietnam veteran. About 24 hours ago, Polk County Sheriff's deputies say they responded to a mental health related call over that veteran who was armed with a gun and threatening to harm himself.
10 Tampa Bay News reporter Miguel Octavia looked into how local law enforcement handles mental health emergencies.
They were risking their life to save his life.
Polk County Sheriff Grady Judd says deputies had no choice but to shoot Vietnam veteran Ronald Breeze.
He does not have any criminal history.
Why the armed 76-year-old called the Veterans Crisis Line and threatened to take his life is still under investigation. Judd says deputies acted in self-defense when de-escalation efforts failed and his wife walked toward him.
He fired at least one shot at the deputies. 4 deputies returned fire.
The sheriff's office says deputies receive 40 hours of crisis intervention training, and each year refresher courses take place.
These kinds of outcomes that we're talking about here today is not what anybody wants.
April Lott works with law enforcement across Pinellas County on mental health response. She says not every situation can be de-escalated.
It is exceptionally unfortunate that sometimes our law enforcement officers are put in the situation that they have.
The CEO for nonprofit Directions for Living says partnerships between mental health professionals and law enforcement are improving outcomes, but some situations are still high risk.
They performed remarkably professional in a very difficult situation.
In Polk County, Miguel Octavio, 10 Tampa Bay News.
A staffer from the state attorney's office has been assigned to investigate the shooting. The 10th Judicial Circuit officer involved Deadly Instant Task Force is also investigating.